ji, Darshan Singh Chaudhary ji, because of their kind support to this bill and for their extensive elaboration about the significance of this bill. Sir, Indian Port Bill 2025, it is a strategic intervention to reposition India's maritime sector for the 21st century. India's coastline, the economic backbone of a 4 trillion economy, has seen remarkable progress under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Sir, in the last decade, our port capacity has expanded by 87% and cargo handling has surged to a historic high of 855 million tons. We have drastically cut down ship turnaround time by nearly 49% through mechanization and digitization. The coastal shipping has increased by an astounding 180%. Sir, these are not just numbers. They are a testament to our relentless pursuit of efficiency and growth, which is why 9 of our ports now rank in the World Bank Global Container Port Performance Index. Despite this progress, sir, we are still governed by a colonial relic, the Indian Port Act of 1908. This outdated statute lacks provisions for long-term planning, modern environmental safeguard, and efficient dispute resolution. It is a legislative framework from a bygone era, unsuited for a modern, digitized maritime ecosystem. Respected sir, the Indian Port Bill 2025 is our answer to this challenge. It is the product of extensive consultation with coastal state, industry stakeholders, and the public, embodying the spirit of cooperative federalism. Sir, the bill contains 11 chapters and 85 clauses that mainly focus on optimum utilization of India's coastline by promoting integrated planning and strategic development of our port through a robust consultative framework between the state and the center. This bill introduces several forward-looking reforms. Number 1, integrated planning. It statutorily establishes the Maritime State Development Council, a recommendatory body to facilitate integrated long-term planning and data-driven decision-making across all ports. Dispute resolution. The bill introduces